Are you craving some Korean dishes? You don't have to travel out of the country for a taste of authentic Korean cuisine that will tantalize your taste buds without breaking the bank and emptying your wallet. Hello fellow food trippers, please join us on this food trip to dine at Myeong Ryun Jinsa Galbi, the #1 Korean Grilled BBQ restaurant in South Korea, which has more than 500 branches worldwide, now here in the Philippines with 7 branches, one of which is on the 2nd floor of Lucky Chinatown Mall in Binondo, Manila. The Eat-All-You-Can buffet includes unlimited servings of high-quality barbecue meats and dishes from South Korea at an affordable 599 net per person from 10 a.m. to 9 p.m., Monday to Sunday. The self-service buffet starts at the unlimited press meat section for the grill, which comes with 9 premium quality meat selections served in reasonable proportions on serving pans like tin pork belly, tin beef belly, the signature dish of Jinsa Galbi, marinated in a special sauce, beef bulgogi, salted chicken, soy chicken, spicy chicken, pork enoki roll, and Korean-style thick pork belly. Grilling is an easy and versatile cooking that works wonderfully on all kinds of meat without fat. The heat created charred edges that gave the smoky aroma and flavorful quality of the barbecue. We savored all the varieties of grilled meats coated with melted cheese for that umami goodness and pairing perfection. It also has unlimited side dishes of spicy kimchi, refreshing pickled cucumber, carrots, and radishes, green leaf lettuce, corn on the cob, and pressed garlic and onions, which adds to the vibrant flavors of the grilled meats. The hot mains at the buffet include bulgogi rice, japchae noodles, tteokbokki, yacai mandu, a pan-fried vegetable dumplings consisting of savory fillings wrapped in tin wrappers, the classic crispy Korean fried chicken, and the yangnyeom, a variety of Korean fried chicken seasoned with sweet and sour spicy sauce. So whether you're strolling and shopping at Divisoria, the famous shopping haven for both locals and tourists, that offers a unique and lively shopping experience wrapped into one, including various fine food outlets you can explore. Come hungry at Myeong Ryun Jinsa Galbi and leave full and satisfied with quality meats and authentic Korean dishes that are worth a visit. See you on our next food trip at Mitsumo SM Valenzuela. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment down below. Thank you for watching.